Hi, this is Mr. Barr. I'm going to talk about converting between decimals and fractions. So let's start with some ideas here. One decimal place. When you're dealing with one decimal place, you want to think about the number 10. So if I have something like 3 over 10, that's 0.3. It's got one decimal place. Two decimal places, I'm always going to be thinking about 100. So if I had 27 over 100, that would be 0.27. Or, on the flip side of that, if I have one decimal place, I'll just put it over a 10. If I have two decimal places, I will put it over 100. And three decimal places, I think you can follow the pattern here. If I'm going 10, 100, this would be 1,000. And so I might have something like 331 over 1,000, which would be 0.331. So one decimal place, 10, two decimal places, 100, three decimal places, 1,000. So let's take a look at this first example here. We want to write 11 over 50 as a decimal. Well, 50, none of my examples had a 50. I dealt with 100 and tens and 1,000. What we're going to do is we're going to take this 11 over 50 and we're going to boost that 50 up to 100. Watch how I do that. 11 over 50. But man, that 50, I don't want a 50. I want it to be 100. So I'm going to multiply it by 2. Here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to multiply it by 2 over 2. That's going to take me to 22 over 100. And now I can convert it. 22 over 100, that's two decimal places. That's 0.22. We're going to write negative 8.225 as a mixed number in simplest form. Let's go with this. Negative 8, that's easy. And now just look at the decimal places. It's three decimal places. That's 225 over three decimal places. 3 is that a 10, 100, or 1,000? Three decimal places is 1,000. Now, it asks for it as a mixed number in simplest form. 225 over 1,000, that can be reduced. I know that a 5 can go into both of these, or even a 25. A 25 goes into this. 25 goes into this guy 9 times. And 25 goes into 1,000 40 times. Here it is, fully reduced. Negative 8 and 9 40ths. Let's write this guy as a decimal. Well, the negative 64 is just the negative 64. Let's come over here. Let's think about that 1/10. What is 1/10 as a decimal? Well, the 10 tells me that I need one decimal place. This becomes 0.1. So I have negative 64.1. Let's write this guy as a decimal. Well, the negative 1 is going to be a part of our answer, so we'll put that guy in here right now. Point. Now we've got to turn this guy, the 2/5, into a decimal. Once again, it's a 5. I can't deal with a 5. I need either a 10, 100, or 1,000 down there in the denominator. Well, let's turn that into a 10 using a 2 over 2. That's going to give me 4/10. And what is 4/10? 0.4. we go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. On to the next one. See you later. Bye.